I often get asked by our students, what is EDI? And I simply tell them it's equality, diversity, and inclusion.
So we recognize unfairness in the society and we challenge that unfairness. That's for us is equality and equity. Diversity is very much about all forms of identities that exist around the world within our own community. It's about celebrating them by acknowledging them. And inclusion is making sure that we are not only diverse, we are not only equitable, but everyone can work together. And that is highly important.
I think in recognising that we're all different and delivering more bespoke support and development, we can also really get a better understanding of that intersectional lens and see people as a whole.
Equality, diversity, inclusion matters to the university because we are a global university with London energy. We are students and colleagues from all parts of the world and we are immensely proud of it. Society and communities have all kinds of injustices and unfairness. We want to make sure we challenge them.
In my journey as an EDI officer and being a student at the University of Westminster, one of the things that I've always seen common with everyone is how diverse Westminster is, and it's a melting pot of diverse communities. At the University of Westminster, we do a series of events. So mainly it all goes under the World in Westminster. So we have World in Westminster cafes, we have World in Westminster festivals, we have Westminster conversations. And these events are particularly designed to bring in students, colleagues, partners come in together to a space where we can discuss ideas, prejudices, and celebrate as well to learn about different cultures.
We have 5 colleague networks here at the university. They provide an opportunity and create a safe space for colleagues to share, to come together in a space where they can truly feel that they can be themselves. In relation to our equality, diversity and inclusion leads, they're a really important part, just as our networks are, of the governance structure around equality, diversity and inclusion here at the university.
We have one EDI school lead in every school. All you have to do is just go and meet them, talk to them. You are also welcome to join our Student Voice, which is hosted by Students' Union, and all our student champions, they play a really crucial role in the Student Voice with us as well.
We cannot take EDI for granted. For that, we have got a university EDI committee. I'm a co-chair. My fellow co-chair is Dr. Deborah Husbands, and it has representation from different colleague networks, from students, student union, and different parts of the university. EDI is not about something done to students or colleagues. It is about being part of a community where all of us can work together to make the place more equitable, more fair, more just, more diverse, celebrate that diversity, and ultimately make sure that it's a place where all of us feel we can belong. It's to invite everyone to be part of that journey at Westminster.